Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear students of class 5, I hope all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I am also fine to enjoy the live class. My dear students of class 5, this is Khalilur Rahman, assistant teacher of mathematics, Bonusri English version day shift, Ideal School and College Motizil Dhaka. My dear students of class 5, you know in last class I discussed about fractions. So today I am going to discuss the remaining part of the fraction. So stay with me and enjoy the class. Let's start our class. Okay, in last class we did up to 4. Am I right? Today I am going to solve from 5. You see what is written here in 5 number. 3 hole 3 by 4 meter and 2 hole 1 by 3 meter strings are how many meters altogether? Here is written altogether, so you have to add it. Is it clear? So first you have to write what is given. Given there are 2 strings of 3 hole 3 by 4 meter and 2 hole 1 by 3 meter length. Okay, exercise 6a. Exercise 6a, page number 44. Okay, so 5 number. Given there are 2 strings of length 3 hole 3 by 4 meter and 2 hole 1 by 3 meter. So the length of the 2 strings together equal whole 3 by 4 meter, 3 hole 3 by 4 meter plus 2 hole 1 by 3 meter. Have you understood? Okay, together that means you have to add. Now you see this is mixed fraction, so at first what's your duty? You have to convert it into improper fraction. How is it possible? 3 4s are 12. Okay, 3 4s are 12. You see, can you see? Okay. You see now I have to convert it into mixed fraction. That is mixed fraction, so you have to convert it into improper fraction. How is it possible? You have to multiply. 3 4s are 12 plus 3. 12, 13, 14, 15. It will be 15 by 4 plus here 3 2s are 6 and 1 7. 7 by 3 meter. Okay. Now, what is the LCM of 4 and 3? The LCM of 4 and 3 will be 12. Okay. So divide by 4, it will be 3. 3 into 15. That means 15 into 3 plus 7 into, if I divide 12 by 3, it will be 4. 7 into 4 meter. Okay. 3 15s are 45 plus 4 7s are 28 divided by 12 meter. Okay, equal 8 and 5 13. There will be 3, carry 1 4 to 6 and 1 7 by 12. So if upper one is bigger, you have to convert it into mixed fraction. Okay, dividing by 12, 6 12s are 72, and there will be 1. Am I right? So it will be what? 6 whole 1 by 12 meter. Answer 6 whole 1 by 12 meter. Have you seen? Okay, my dear students, now I am going to solve next one. You see, 6th number. What is written here? Geeta has 1 whole 5 by 6 liter of juice and Mamun has 13 by 8 liter of juice. Who has more juice and what is the amount? Okay, so at first you have to write what is given here. Okay, 6th number, given Geeta has 1 whole 5 by 6 liter of juice and Mamun has 13 by 8 liter of juice. Okay, you have to find who has more juice. That means at first what's your duty? You have to convert the quantity of juice or amount of juice into same denominator to compare it, to find who has more juice. Okay, so here 1 whole 5 by 6, it will be 6 on the 6 plus 5 11. Okay, the LCM of 8 and 6 is 24. You see, if it is not possible, you have to find the LCM. You can give it by 2, 4, 3. So LCM will be what? 2 into 4 into 3. It will be 12, 24. So LCM will be 24. Okay. Now 24 divide first 6. If you divide, you will get 4. You have to write here 11 by 6, and it will be what? 11 into 4 by 6 into 4 equals to 44 by 24. Okay, and next 24 divided 8, it will be 3. So you have to write 13 by 8, 13 into 3 by 8 into 3. So it will be 39 by 24. So 44 is greater than 39. 44 by 24 is greater than 39 by 24. So 11 by 6 is greater than 13 by 8. So you see 11 by 6, that is Geeta. So Geeta has more juice. So Geeta has more juice. Gita has more juice. And Gita has more, now you have to subtract. Okay, and Gita has more. Okay. And Gita has more. You have to write 11/6 minus 13/8 liter of juice. Okay, equals to, it will be what? 11/6, you can write it 44/24. Am I right? Minus 39/24. Okay, equals to 24. It will be 44 minus 39 liter of juice. Okay, so if I subtract, what will be the result? Tell me, my dear students. Don't send any unnecessary stickers. If you send stickers, then you will be blocked. Immediately you will be blocked. Who are sending sticker? Okay, they will be blocked immediately. So stop to send sticker. Okay, 44 minus 39, it will be what? You see, 5. It will be 5/24 liter of juice. Answer. Gita has 5/24 liter of juice more. Okay, my dear students. Have you understood? Actually today little bit problem maybe because I am outside the home. I mean I am at school. So there is some limitations. Okay, next. Page number 45, you see multiplication by integers. How is it possible? If you multiply by a fraction, you have to learn it. Okay. When we multiply a fraction by integer, how is it possible to multiply? When we multiply a fraction by an integer, keep the denominator and multiply the numerator by the integer. You see, this is a fraction and this is integer. Just numerator and integer you have to multiply. Okay. Suppose this is page number 45. Page 45, 1, 1. Okay. So it will be what? 4/9 into 2. Okay. So what's your duty first? You have to multiply 4 into 2/9. Am I right? Fraction with integer. You have to multiply numerator with integer. That will be your result. So now multiply 4 to the 8, 8/9. So it will be 8/9. Answer 8/9. Okay, I am going to solve 4 number. You see, 4 number 3/5 into 2. Okay, 3/5 into 2. See, 3/5 into 2. Okay, so we have to multiply here 3 with 2. Am I right? It will be what? 3 multiplied 2/5. So 3 to the 6/5. You see, if upper one is bigger, then you have to convert it into mixed fraction. Okay, divide it 1, 5, 1. So it will be 1 whole 1/5. Answer 1 whole 1/5. Have you understood? 1 whole 1 by 5. Very good. Okay, next I am going to solve from here 8 number. You see what is written here in 8. 4 by 5 into 4. So you have to multiply 4 with 4. Am I right? 4 into 4 by 5. 4 4 is 16 by 5. Now divide it by 5. 3 5 is 15. There will be 1. So it will be what? 3 whole 1 by 5. Am I right? 3 whole 1 by 5. Answer 3 whole 1 by 5. Have you understood? Okay, my dear students of class 5. Now I am going to solve page 46 from here. Okay, page 46. 2 1. Okay, 1 by 4 multiply 2. 1 by 4 multiply 2. So what will be the result? You see, you have to convert it into reduced form also. If would be easy if you reduce the fraction during the calculation. It would be easy. Okay, so if it is possible to reduce, you have to reduce it. Okay, so how is it possible? You see, 1 by 4 into 2, so we can write it 1 into 2 by 4. Now you can cut 2 and 4, 2 and here will be 1. 1 on the 1 by 2. Answer 1 by 2. Okay. Next, I am going to solve 8 number because all are same here. 8 number, what is written? You see, 2 by 23 into 46. 2 by 23 into 46. Now I am going to solve that one. You see, 2 by 23 into 46. So it will be what? 2 into 46 by 23. Okay. Now cut it. 23 1s are 23, 22 2s are 46. So if I multiply, you see the denominator will be 1. So no need to give 1. Just you have to write the numerator 2 2s are 4. I mean integer number. Answer 4. Have you understood? Okay, very good. Okay. Now I am going to solve what problem again. You see 3 number. What is written here? 1 deciliter of paint covers 3 by 4 meter square of a board. How many meter square can be painted with 4 deciliter? So you see there is 1 deciliter, you have to cover more. So if you cover more, then you have to multiply it. Okay. So what did you write first? You have to write given 1 deciliter of paint covers 3 by 4 meter square of a board. Okay. 3 number, given 1 deciliter of paint covers 3 by 4 meter square of a board. Okay, so 4 deciliter of paint covers 3 by 4 into 4 meter square of that board. Okay, so now 3 into 4 by 4 meter square. You cut it 1 1, so it will be 3 meter square of the board of the board. Answer 3 meter square of the board. Have you understood? You see, okay, my dear students, now I am going to solve 4 number. So let's start to solve 4 number. You see what is 4 number from page 46. 2 by 7 kilogram of sugar is needed to make 1 pot payesh. How many kilogram is needed to make 14 pot payesh? So you see, to make 1 pot payesh, 2 by 7 kilogram of sugar is needed. Okay, to make 1 pot payesh, 2 by 7 kilogram of sugar is needed. To make 14 pot payesh, it will take more, so you have to multiply. Okay, so let's go to solve it. 4 number given to make 1 pot payesh, 2 by 7 kg of sugar is needed. Okay, to make 1 pot payesh, to make 1 pot payesh, 2 by 7 kg of sugar is needed. So to make how many pot of payesh? 14 pot. To make 14 pot payesh, two by 7 into 14 kg of sugar is needed. Okay, equals to okay, so 2 into 14 by 7. You cut it, 7 to the 14 kg of sugar is needed, equals to, here will be 1, so 2 to the 4 kg of sugar is needed. Okay, so answer will be 4 kg. Okay, have you got it? Okay, very good. Now I am going to solve page 47. There is also one word problem. Okay, page 47, you see what is written here. 4 by 5 liter of juice is distributed equally to 2 persons. How many liter of juice is for 1 person? So there 4 by 5 liter of juice for 2 person, 1 person, it will take less. So if less, you have to divide. Okay, so you have to write fast. This is page number 47. Okay, given two persons get 4 by 5 liter of juice. So one person get 4/5 divided 2 liter of juice. So equals to, it will be, you see, if divide, you have to convert it into multiplication by reciprocal. What? 4/2, and it will be inverse. That means 2/1. It will be 1/2 liter of juice. Now cut it. 2 2s are 4. Here will be 1. Now multiply 2 1s are 2/5 liter of juice. Answer: 2/5 liter of juice. Have you understood? Okay, my dear students, your homework will be accordingly. You will solve SW Mathematics, page 45 all. Okay, my dear students, your SW will be Mathematics, page 45 all. Okay, have you seen? Okay, so my dear students of class 5, stay home, stay safe. Tomorrow I'll come back again at 12 o'clock, same time, in same platform, Ideal School and College online based class. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.